Dalam video ni kita akan discuss tentang arithmetic progression. So apa itu arithmetic progression ataupun kita nama singkatan dia adalah AP, arithmetic progression. So it is a series in which the series increase by a constant. So from 5 to 11, from 5 we add 3 to get 8, 8 plus 3 we get 11, 11 plus 3 we get 14. So the increase in that constant is what we call as common difference. It's just, let's say we have here 8 minus 5, we get 3, 11 minus 8, we get 3. So the D, that's the symbol for common difference, equals to 3. And then that's a symbol for first term, 5 is our first term, it is equals to A. So the symbol for first term is A. The common difference, the difference between those two numbers is what we call as D equals to 3. Let's go through the second example here. 7, 5, 3, 1. It is not an increasing number, it is a decrease in number. By how many? So it's just 5 minus 7, we get negative 2. 3 minus 5, we get negative 2. So which means the number is increasing by 2. So our common difference is now negative 2. And then the series starts with 7, that is your first term, the symbol is A. Right. So there is a couple of formula that we need to know. First is n term Tn, example is first term. So n term, what does it mean with n term? So n term ialah term yang keberapa. So if let's say we have first term, the symbol will be T1. If we have second term, the symbol will be T2. Simple. 8th term will be T8. And then the formula to that, it's Tn equals to A plus n minus 1D. Let's apply this. Let's say we go to first example here. 5, 8, 11, 14. So 5 here is actually your T1. So take note here that T1 is actually equals to A. And 8 is actually equals to T2. 11 is T3 and 14 is T4. Let's apply this, like let's say get our T3 equals to 11 by using this formula, right? So T3, we know that our A in the series is 5, so 5 plus the n is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2 times D, our common difference is 3. So 5 plus 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. So T3, the third term, equals to 11. So which is, it is proven that T3 equals to 11 in the series. Right. Next is, there's also a formula in which Tn, the n term, equals to sum of n terms minus sum of first n terms minus 1. So Sn minus Sn minus 1. So please take note that this is small n minus 1. We'll go through that later in a bit. So what does it, by the way, what does it mean with this is that if let's say kita nak cari T3, we want to find T3 there, right? So Sn is S3 minus S3 minus 1 will become S2. But in order to do this part, we need to go through the second part, right? Sum of first n terms. So what does it mean with sum of first n terms? Ialah jumlah term yang pertama. Contohnya sum of first 5 terms is that all the first 5 terms we add all of them together to get the sum of first 5 terms. Sum of first 3 terms is that if you have 3 terms, you add all those first 3 terms, you get the total terms there. So sum of first 5 terms, the symbol is S5. Sum of first 3 terms is what we call as S3. Right, and then this is the formula. Sn equals to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, let's go back to first example. 5, 8, 11. Let's say we want to find the sum of first 3 terms, S3. We can do it manually. So S3 equals to 5, the first term, plus the second term, plus the third term. 5 plus 8 plus 11. 5 plus 8, it's 13. 13 plus 11, it's 24. Right, let's prove this by using the formula. S3 equals to n divided with 2, it's 3 divided with 2, 2a. Our a, the first term, is 5. 2 times 5 plus n minus 1, 3 minus 1, it's 2, and then the d there, it's 3. Right, so 3 divided with 2, 2 times 5, it's 10, 10 plus 6, it's 16. We can simplify this. 3 times 8, it's 24, so it's equivalent there. So the reason why we have this formula is that if let's say we want to find sum to 24, sum of 24 terms, I mean we cannot just list up to 24 terms in exam, it will take so much time. Okay, so let's go back to this. So let's say we want to find T3 by using the first example, T3, S3 minus S2. We know that S3 now, it's 24. S3 equals to 24. What's your S2? The sum of first two terms, 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8, which is 13. So S3, it's 24. Minus 13, you're going to get your third term, which is 24 minus 13, which is 11. And then there you go. That's the answer. Right. So just have a recap. So there are three formulas that we've learned so far. The n term, a tn, a plus n minus 1d, b tn, the n term equals to sum of first n terms minus sum of first n terms minus 1, and then a is that the formula of sum of first n terms, right? So between all of these, please memorize this formula because it will not be given in the exam.